Hello, my name is Nature Nuggets. Welcome to Lay You Sense. This issue brings you a set of emotional healing yoga. We will practice together through asanas and meditation. Groom, regulate, and release negative emotions, bringing peace and joy to the soul. Come to the store. Adopt any sitting position that makes you feel comfortable. Deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose. Mouth slightly open. Long spit out. Inhale. Full exhalation. Next, inhale. Arms in the air. Breathe out and tap the ground. Inhale again. Head up, arms up. Exhale. Open, hands down. Keep repeating a few more sets. One more inhale. Arms up. Bend your arms in time. Hug elbows. Keep your chest up. Slowly fall to the left side of the body as you exhale. Inspiratory collection. Exhale and fall to the right. Let your shoulders and chest be fully extended. Inhale, release the arm. Okay, straighten your arms. Hands on the ground naturally. Exhale. Right ear to right shoulder. Elongate the left neck. Inhale, retraction. Exhale. Fall to the left. Inspiratory collection. Exhale again. Eyes down right shoulder. Look to the right. Inhale, retraction. Turn left. Inspiratory collection. Let go of your legs. Keep your knees bent. Palms of feet facing each other. Let's put our legs in a rhombus shape. Then gently massage your feet, from toes to soles. Warm and loving, delivered to support our feet. Then go up the calf to the thigh root. Massage our legs. Hold the soles of the feet with both hands. Bow your head. Let our shoulders and head sink naturally. You don't need to deliberately press down. Keep the entire back extended and abdominal relaxation. Relax the nerves. Calm down your body and mind. Good breath. Put away your body. Feet back. Knees wide apart. Feet facing. Hips to heels. Come to baby relaxation. The arms stretch forward naturally, forehead to the ground. Come to the moment. Pay attention to breathing and physical feelings. Let everything slow down naturally. The emotions that affect you, no matter how depressed, disappointed, anger, anxiety, worry, depression, everything. Let them at this moment. Complete release. Tilt from the top of your head Head up. Let the left hand go from under the body through the palm up. Turn your head to the right. Keep your breathing even and good at it. Inhale and withdraw your left hand. Exhale. The right hand passes through the rest. Right temple point. Gentle, flexible shoulders. Relax tense nerves. Slow down your breathing. Inhale and withdraw your right hand. Relax as a baby again. Feel a further expansion of the spine. Notice here, push up the body. Let's put our ischium directly above the knee. Legs naturally apart. Keep your arms out. You can tap your chin or continue to leave the forehead and come to Rongshin City. The entire chest cavity is expanded. Flexible shoulders and upper back. In this open chest and open shoulders pose, breathing is easier. Let your mind be broader. Inhale. Push your body carefully. Slowly lie on your stomach. Come to the face, arms parallel when lost. Palm compacts the ground. The elbow is directly below the shoulder. Elongate the neck. Exhale and bow. Hands come to the sides of the body. Turn back to the left and relax. Inhale. Retreat your head. Hands come to the sides of the chest. Rotate your shoulders back. Slowly push your chest off the ground. Little cobra. Exhale and land. In a group, the fingertips of both hands are pressed to the sides of the shoulders. Inhale straight arms to push up upper body. Consciously tighten below the abdomen. Expand. Open your heart. Exhale, elbow flexion. Look back, right? Inspiratory collection. Exhale. Turn to the rear left. Inhale, retraction. Exhalation, controlled landing. Return your hands to your sides again. Turn right, relax. Push the body again. Bend your legs. Pay attention to your toes. Hips, 2 feet. The weight of the heel body comes between the toes. If you feel too much pressure on your toes, it flattens the instep. Back to normal. This simple aristocratic pose contributes to peace of mind, calm nerves. Perform hormonal elongation, respiration, sinking shoulders, spinal extension. Pay attention to breathing. Focus on the body, especially the lower body. Okay, slowly flatten your instep and come to the King Kong seat. Pay attention to making fists with both hands. Upper body slowly forward and downward. Don't worry about the hips leaving the heels for the time being, until your forehead hits the ground. Then slowly push your hips up. Head rolling forward. Touch the ground overhead, arms pointing to the sky. Keep it here. Let the blood return to our heads. nourishes the brain and nervous system. Let you regain your composure and peace. Continue to breathe deeply and evenly. In this upside down pose, let the negative emotions hidden in the body. Keep tilting. Keep releasing. Exhale. Take your body back slowly. Back to empathy. Relax your hands and fall naturally by your side. Palm up, forehead to the ground. Inhale. Push up the body. Pay attention to bending the left leg. If the left leg cannot be fully opened temporarily, you can bend more. Keep your left foot close to the thigh of your right leg. Pay attention to straighten your hips. Straighten right leg. Stick to the ground. And then you move your hands forward. Lie down slowly. Belly close to left leg. Extend open groin. And the left hip. Release the backlog of negative emotions in the hip. Observe your breathing. Inhale. Take it back slowly. Back to four-legged bench pose. If necessary, move our left hip. Go to the right leg, to the lattice on the other side. Inhale and adjust the position. Chest up. Exhale. Slowly forward and downward. Come to sleeping dove. Observe every thought that comes to mind at the moment. With thought, without judgment. Allow his creation. Accept him. Inhale. Push your body slowly, retract right leg, back to the four-legged bench. The slight movement of the lower right hip. Sit back with your feet crossed. Straighten your legs. All right, here we go. Go to the right knee and press it against the base of the left thigh. Left foot hook. Inhale, arms up. Exhale. Both hands try to hold the left foot or the left calf. The main thing is to stretch your back. Open chest. Fully feel the stretch on the back of the left leg. Extension. Inhale. Get up. Okay, now the left hand comes to the right knee. Raise your right hand above your head and slowly fall to our left. It's okay, grab the left foot with your right hand. If there is any difficulty, just keep it open to the side. Feel the stretch on the right side of your body. Inhale and withdraw your right hand. Right hand on the back. Look down your right shoulder. Inhale, retraction. Bend your left leg against the base of your right thigh. Right foot hook. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, far forward and fall. You can have a straight arm or bend your elbow. The back is fully extended. Avoid arch back. After entering the asana, pay attention to the feelings of the body and the flow of breathing. Inhale. Put your hands away. Right hand to left knee. The left hand slowly goes around the top of the head. Go for the right foot. Keeps pushing our left chest forward. Keep breathing evenly and deeply. And then inhale. Put away your body. Ground behind left hand. Eyes follow out. Good breath. Retreat body. Next, let's slowly lie on our backs on the mat. Bend your right knee to your chest. Pull the right knee with both hands close to the right abdomen. Left leg to the ground. Exhale. Left hand drives right knee. Fall to the left of the body. Open your right arm naturally. Eyes up to the right hand or the sky. Twisting makes our spine more flexible, and your heart will also become softer and looser. Inhale and retract right leg. Be careful to keep your knees bent. The palm of the right foot is pressed against the base of the left thigh. Left foot hook. Arms up. Supine vertical. Towards your left foot. Stepping on the ground. Hands keep going up. Find the power of upward growth from another angle. Exhale and withdraw your hands. Come to the other side. Bend your left knee and wrap your hands around your chest. Drive the left knee slowly down with both hands. Exhale. Left knee comes to the right side of the body. Left hand expanded. Eyes follow out. The the abdomen becomes soft. Your whole body starts to relax. Heavy. Exhale. Release the left leg. Put your left foot against the base of your right thigh. Hands above your head, palms opposite. Vertical on the other side. Continue to consciously elongate the body from fingertips to toes. It stretches in opposite directions. Exhale and release your hands. All right, here we go. Palms of feet facing each other again. We come to the recumbent butterfly. Place your right hand gently on your chest, left hand to abdomen. Close your eyes slowly. Feel your breath. Take a deep breath in. Long exhalation. Feel every breath. The body is getting looser. Feel the contact between the body and the ground. Follow your breath. Watch the thoughts that come to mind. No need to stop. No need to judge. Let him come and leave. Bring attention back to the breath. Life is full of challenges. We're susceptible to stress, fear, confused traction, losing confidence in life. We fantasize about other people's lives, a life that we seem to envy. However, everyone has doubts, uneasy, fear. As a living being, we have all kinds of emotions. We all long to be loved and understood. What has happened can't be changed. However, we can decide what to think of him. True happiness, complete satisfaction, not a state that can be achieved by striving. He is an attitude. True satisfaction is grateful. When you make a conscious decision, look at the world with gratitude. Everything is tiny. Everything can radiate light. A warm smile. A ray of sunlight shining on the face. A breeze on my face. When you choose, focusing on these beautiful details, your life will gradually be filled with more and more love and joy. Think of all the people you're grateful for. Something, and repeat the following sentence in your mind. I am grateful for all the love that has been around me, happiness and health. Life has given me everything you need. I am grateful for all the love that has been around me, joy and health. Life already given to me everything you need. I am grateful for all the love that has been around me, happiness and health. Life already given to me everything you need. Slowly regain consciousness. Take another deep breath. Give it all. When you're ready, please slowly open your eyes and push your body back into the sitting position. Thank you for choosing to do this exercise. This is the first step towards recognizing and releasing your emotions. Life is a gift. If you pay attention every day, you will find a lot of love and joy. In fact, it is by your side. And you can always choose to bring a grateful heart to see the world. Hello,